Let's talk about the third core tenet, which is arguably one of the most important core tenets, which has to do with your design quality. Okay? So the core tenet here is not about necessarily titling or tagging. The third core tenet, like I said, is your design quality. What makes a person tick? What makes that person click and actually buy your product? Okay, we can actually go here for the keyword American flag, and we can go here and sort out of best selling. And there are different groups of products that are the best selling for whatever reason. But when we search for the keyword American flag, groups of people believe that this design, for whatever reason, sells the most, and part of it is because of the way it looks. Okay, we can't be neglectful to the idea that we humans, we judge books by their covers, the way they look. We judge art by the way it looks. And so if we want to be successful on Redbubble, something we have to understand, a core tenet, the third step to success, is that we need to understand that the quality of our design, how attractive it looks, has everything to do with our success. In fact, it is, like I said, that third core principle. And the reason why that's important, the reason why that matters, is because if you think about it, on the other side of that computer screen, from consumers who are deciding to buy those products, they're real people. They're not robots, they're not fake, they're not computers, they're real human beings, and they have real genuine desires and real genuine hate towards something, and they have preferences and they have dislike towards things. So if you want to make a sale, you have to make sure that that person on the other side of that computer screen has a genuine desire for the design style. For example, this design here, in my opinion, is a unattractive design. It doesn't fit the mouse pad. It doesn't look good. To my opinion, it's hard to even read what this says here. To me, it's just almost it's almost in a way, it just doesn't seem artistic in nature. It doesn't seem like somebody would buy this, right? And that's my personal opinion. But if I was a designer and I'm posting products on Redbubble and I have interest in posting products, what I have to realize is that if I want to make money, I can't be posting designs that are simply unattractive to people. I have to be creating designs that people are genuinely interested in. And so with that being said, design quality matters very, very much when it comes down to making a sale. The person on the other side of the screen has to have a genuine desire to buy your product, and that comes from the way it looks. Okay?